Hi Emilia, bonjour. Welcome in the world, my little princess. Look at this beautiful little girl. Look at this proud daddy. Cutest little girl.
You know when you're small, when your arm is the size of Daddy's finger.
5 pounds, 9 ounces.
18 inches long.
Born October 15,
9:48 p.m.
2012, planet Earth. And add this to
Why not? At least she knows she's not an alien.
She's not. The little pretty thing. Yes. And she's blonde like Daddy. Another one who looks like her father. I'm gonna have to make another one to try to look like me this time, huh?
Give it a few years.
Oh yeah. 2 baby in 18 months. That was enough for Melanie, huh? Oh, you're so beautiful. God bless her. She'll be blessed for the rest of her life. A long and happy life. I love you, Emilia.